Alright, today I'm going to show you how to load your ATM with paper. First off, pull on the spindle cover to remove it. Put the roll of paper in, and then you're going to see you have, right here you have a green button. You press that and it's going to release the roller underneath. So after you've done that, you're going to feed it through behind this little metal piece, and you're going to pass it just this way. You see there's a gap thick enough just for the paper to keep it into place. So you feed it into there and you keep pushing it upwards like this. You do that until it starts, you see it appear right there. So just as it becomes even with the roller, you shut the roller on it like that, snap the roller back into place, and it's going to give you a test print. If it feeds and there's nothing written on it, it means that your roll of paper is upside down. Thermal paper can only print on one side, so that means you got to flip your roll around and do the entire process again. So let's assume that it did not print anything. You would simply press back this green button right here, roll it back in, flip your roll around, and feed it back the normal way. The final step is to install back this spindle cover. There you go. That concludes it.